Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert filament inside BIQU 3D printer. To do this we'll need to click on the menu button. Now go for the extruder, or here we have unload. And now we want to load our filament. So to prepare that, first you will need to attach the filament spool and also cut the end of the filament so that it will fit inside the extruder. Now select load. It will increase the temperature of extruder to 180 degrees, so we want to click OK on that. When it reaches 180 degrees, we can look on the back of our 3D printer, and hopefully you can see it, that there's a hole right around here where I'm pointing with my finger. And take the filament, then stick it in that hole and keep pushing it until give me a second, because there's this clippers right here which we also need to click on. Probably you can't see it, but I can do it with one hand. Okay, so when you've pushed it enough, we can move on to our OLED menu, and here click on load. It should start pulling the filament inside, and here you can either continue, this will close the loading setup, but we want to purge it more, so click on it until the filament starts pulling out from the extruder. So right now it's come out, kinda, and that means we've successfully inserted our PLA filament inside this printer. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.